Hello students, earlier I explained you chapter 1. Now I am providing you notes of this chapter. So read carefully and start writing in your notebook. First of all, congratulations and all the best, because now you are in 5th standard. You have to write with pen. So do practice, be careful, don't do any mistakes, write with the good handwriting and keep your book clean. Hard words. Here I am giving you 15 hard words that you have to write and learn in your notebook. Give meanings. As per the textbook, assignment work, first question is A, MCQs type of question. Next question is B, answer these questions. Means question answers you have to write down. Question C, opposite words. Question D, give meanings and make sentence. Here some textual exercise given. Exercise 1. A list of words from the text is given below in column C. Write down words and phrases that can be used to describe them. The word in a column A you have to find out from the chapter, and in the column B you have to write down your own. First one is done for you. So read carefully and do it. In this exercise you have to learn the spellings. Look at these words. Travel plus ER, traveler. Here you are using double L when you are writing the answer. How it comes? When you are writing the double L, that time you have to see in a main word, means in a questions, before L there is only one vowel, that is short vowel. But when you are writing the HEAL plus ER, healer, here you are using only single L when you are writing the answer. In main word there is a two vowel before L, that is the long vowel. These things you have to keep in mind and you have to complete this following. Answers already I provide to you. You just read carefully and do it. In this exercise you have to learn pronunciations. Say these words aloud. These all are in past tense form. Appointed, needed, muttered, revealed. Here if you know the spelling, appoint, APPOINT. But when we are writing in the past tense form, you are adding ED. Means in these words where you have to add ED and where you have to add only D, that you have to learn. In an exercise, some mixed words are given. So just you have to find out where you are adding the ED and where we have to add D only. So you have to learn the spelling for that. Read carefully and do it. Now last exercise for this chapter. Look at these phrases. Gulliver's travels, Annie's key. The apostrophe is used in writing. We use S apostrophe with S to show possession. Examples: Reem's bag, Jimmy's book. Same way we use an apostrophe to show that one or more letters or numbers have been left out. Examples: can't for cannot, don't for do not. Same way in numerical numbers, before 83 we are keeping apostrophe mark for 1983, here in 14 for 2014. Same way some more examples also given to you, so you can read carefully and do it. Exercise 4 I given with the answer, so do carefully. Rewrite this sentence using the apostrophe wherever it's needed.